I'm Christopher Kimball from Milk Street. I'm here with Raina. Raina, how are you?
Hi.
We're not filming our TV show now, but when we do, Raina is part of that, one of our test cooks here. And we're going to talk about Whisk today. We came across a really interesting notion not too long ago, which is the travers whisk. It's odd looking, but it does a great job with egg whites, actually better than a balloon whisk. And you and I are going to have a little competition, which I hope you lose. But that's just me talking. So we've designed this with the folks at Kuhn Rikon in Switzerland, and we also have a balloon whisk. I use this for mixing and folding, especially batters like cake batters. But when it comes to egg whites, this design, oddly enough, it agitates the whites more fully and more quickly. So why don't we do a ready, set, go and see. So we have a few egg whites here. You have a balloon whisk, and I have a travers whisk, and let's see which one wins.
You started.
Yeah, I started early.
Such a cheat. Ah, where are we at? Oh my God.
I'm almost done, actually.
Chris.
So there you have it. The travers whisk wins. It's a better design. This one's designed by our folks at Kuhn Rikon in Switzerland, who work with us on some kitchen tools. We also have a balloon whisk, and this is better for mixing and folding when you're working with batters and that sort of thing.